So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just about to reveal to you an amazing Adsterra direct link trick which you can actually do going to using to drive traffic to your Adsterra direct links and also go on to making some cool cash right now. And this is actually going to be an amazing one because with Adsterra you do actually get high CPM, which is high cost per million prices right here. And because of the high CPM, even if you do actually do get low amount of clicks, you do actually do go on to making some valuable amount of cash right there. So this is actually going to be an amazing strategy. Do watch this video to the end, learn the strategy, utilize this and make money online. And as you can see right now on Adsterra, this is actually an amazing advertising network with a unique partner care approach. And with Adsterra guys, you can actually do acquire top traffic, monetize your traffic, or get CPA marketing offers you could actually go on to promoting. You can see right now that you do get the benefits from Adsterra ad network, and this is actually an amazing platform because it actually gets about 1.34 billion conversions per year, and it pays out about $56 million per year, and also gets about 40,000 partners. And you can see that this is actually an amazing platform that you can actually go on to using. Here are actually some of the ad formats which this platform can actually do take advantage of. Maybe the pop under, the social bar, the in-page push, and other stuff right here. But what we're actually going to be focusing on is getting an Adsterra direct link and actually promoting that using this on this particular platform to make money online. So with Adsterra guys, if you do click on sign up, you should be able to sign up either as an advertiser, a publisher, or as an affiliate. But I want you to go on to signing up as a publisher right here because you want to go on to monetizing a website or other traffic right now. If you do click on get started, follow the sign up procedure and actually sign up because it's actually free and easy. You can then just simply log into your account and you should be brought to a dashboard or a page that will actually look similar to this. What you want to do next guys is to actually follow these details right here, which is to add your website, create a code, and actually copy that code and use that to get money online. So with this, you want to just simply go into the Adsterra direct link section. If you do come right here, click on direct link, you can actually do see I have 2 direct links already active on this platform. I can just simply copy the link to one and go on to using that. If you don't have one, just simply click on create direct link. You want to just simply select the non-adult to actually enable you go on to removing erotic ads right now. So if you do click on add, your direct link will be created. But what I'm going to do right now is to just simply copy this link right here to my Adsterra direct link and actually do head on to this platform called the Google site. And with Google Sites, I'm going to create a landing page right now. So for me to do that, I'm going to click on this plus icon, of which once I actually do that, it's going to bring me to a page such as this. I'm just going to come right here and actually do type in a text such as this right here. So you can see how the text actually looks like. So what I'm going to do, I can actually do add a background image if I do want by following this particular step, going on to the search section and actually do search for jobs. If I do add that in right here, you can actually be able to see some cool images you can actually do use for the background. If I select this right now, click on select, that will actually be used in the background of this particular section right here for this particular landing page. So once that is actually loading up, you want to just simply head onto this platform right now, which is called Google, and search for new jobs. So if you do search for new jobs, you can actually do go on to seeing new jobs right now in any location of your choice right there. You can actually do put in the location right now and you'll be able to see that. Now I'm actually do using the Nigerian demographic right here, as you can actually do see that there are some jobs that are actually available right here. So I can actually do click on explore jobs and you'll be able to come right here to see this list, and you'll be able to see some cool jobs right now which you can actually do go on to using to gain traffic right now to your Adsterra direct link. So what I'm going to do right now, maybe if I do select this job, which is actually the senior Ruby engineer, or I'm actually going to selecting this head and administration job, I can actually do go on to Google right now and actually do search for head administration image. So if I do search for something like that right here, I'm going to just simply go into the image section and I'll be able to see some cool images which I can actually do go on to using right now. So supposing I actually do go on to selecting one of this image and downloading that on my device right now, maybe I'm going to select this image right here. I'm just going to go into downloading that, or I can actually do check for other images such as this one right here. I can actually download the image and actually go on to using that. So if I do go on to saving the image on my device, once the image has actually been saved, I'm going to head back to my landing page site and actually do go on to uploading that by clicking on the image section, click on upload, and actually upload that on this platform. So right now you can see that has actually been uploaded. I can make that bigger right here, and you can actually do see how cool it's gonna look like. So next I'm just gonna go on to adding in a text right here, and for that text I'm gonna just simply add in the title for that particular job right now. So if I head back to this particular search section, I'm just going to search for copy this particular title right here, which says the head administration, and I'm just going to head back to this platform and actually do paste that in right here. So once that has been pasted, I'm going to make that bold and also change the font color to black so that will actually be visible. What you want to do right now is to actually drag this and add to this particular section. So if I drag this and add to this particular, just above this image right now, or into the image right here, you can see that it's going to look something similar to this. What you want to do next is maybe go on to also adding in a text, and for that text box you want to just simply head back to this page and actually do copy the qualifications to this particular job. You could copy the qualifications right here, but I'm just going to copy just a few right now. If I copy this few, head back to this page, actually do paste that in this section, and maybe I'm just going to go on to making this right here bold and black right now. You can see right here this is how it's actually going to look like. I'm just going to come right here and actually do go on to inserting all this qualification requirements. So once that's actually been inserted, I'm going to drag this also to this end right now, so you can see how it's going to look like right here related to this particular job. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to add in another image box right now. So suppose I'm on this bottom section, I add in the images right here. You want to just simply select another job which you want to just simply focus on. Maybe if you want to focus on the pizza chef, you can select that right now, and also going to add in that below this section. So you can add as many jobs as you can right now on this landing page, and once you are done, go on to publishing the landing page by selecting a domain. And if you do select that domain, it's actually going to go on to publishing, and you do go on to maybe getting the link to that particular domain. You want to head on to platforms such as Facebook, and right here on Facebook you just want to go on to searching for jobs. So if I do searching for jobs related groups, you'll be able to see a lot of groups which you can take advantage of right now. So you can see some job related groups in Nigeria. This one right here, you can actually do use that to promote that offer, drive some cool traffic to that by telling them that they should check out this job right here. And for as many people that are interested in gaining access to that, click on the link and actually do go on to gaining access to your landing page. But what you want to do next to actually make sure that you drive traffic to that Adsterra direct link is to actually come right here in this section. You want to just simply go on to adding a simple button. Now for that button right now, the button may contain something like click here, and if you do add in something like click here right now, you want to first of all go on to copying the Adsterra direct link and actually do paste that in this link section. Once you paste that in this link section, click on insert. You want to then just simply drive that to this particular section. So if I do take that to this section right now, you can actually do see how it looks like. So once that has actually been added, I can actually do go on to add in another button right now. Once I add in this button, I'm going to put in something like click here also, or link to. So if I do add in something like this which says link to, I'm going to head on to this particular page and actually do copy the link address to this job right now. So if I right click on this, I'm just going to go on to copying the link address to that particular job and actually do go on to driving traffic to that. So if I'm just going to copy the link address to this page, head back to this particular platform and paste in that right here, and I can just simply click on insert. I'm also going to go right here, drag that to this section. So guys, for people that actually do want to gain access to the job, we'll first click on this first button right here which says click here, which is going to take them to my Adsterra direct link, and I do get traffic, and they actually need to come back and click on the second link to actually gain access to this job right here. So you can actually do this, or you just want to remove this button right now. Maybe I just want to delete this button. If I delete that button, you can see right here that it's just this one right here, which I can just simply change to click here, which is actually leading them to that particular product right now on or that particular job. You can actually go on to embedding that Adsterra direct link on other sections on this particular page. Maybe you can actually insert that in this image right here. If I click on the image, click on this chain icon, copy my Adsterra direct link, I'm just gonna head back to this section and paste that in right here. Click on apply. For anyone that do click on this image, it's gonna take them to my Adsterra direct link. So what you want to do is to actually add that link to each and every section right here, maybe this qualification section and actually this top section. So if you do that right now, for anybody that do click on all those sections, it's actually going to take them to your Adsterra direct link. So this is actually going to be a very cool way which you can make money right now by grabbing the link right here, heading on to job related groups on platforms like Facebook and promoting that, and you do get paid some cool affiliate commission by doing so if you get lots of clicks to that particular content. So this you want to just simply use and make money online. I do hope this video was helpful. Do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all.